so I'm going to show you how to make Disney logo. How to make your own. First, you have to put the camera over here. And you have to put the text, Shift A, select the text, and enter your own text, and put on Disney. And then enter your own text. I'm gonna use his animation. Then put it in the center, and put it on in the center. Now I'm gonna add font. You can get it for the link in the description. There you have it. No. Maybe that doesn't work, so I'm gonna put Disney. Enter your own text and put it up in there. And convert into mesh. Now do the same as me. Watch closely, okay? Okay, do the same as me. Select location, rotation. Okay? Now do the same as me, and do the same as me. After 100. Do the same as me as Warner Bros. 2020. If you want, now get in the color. Now, then turn off the Use Notes button. If you want to use the same color that I'm using, I'd say 3300 dB. Now that's much better than I thought. We're going to use the background red. So, okay. I'll turn on the search now and select red. And select red. Maybe that's kind of... So I'm going to keep the emission. If you want to use the same color that I'm using, 3300 dB. Now it's kind of fine. Keep it right in 120. So if you want to running, go ahead and click on Save As Disney Animation. Disney Animation 2022 logo. .blend. Save as. Now go into and select the 2022. There's a mini file. I'm gonna use FFmpeg page video. Now go into the video and select mpage 4. Now we're ready to render. It takes a few moments, so I'm going to pause the video. It goes really fast. I'll be back in a few moments. And it will be done. It's almost done. Alright, it's done. Check it out. Those documentaries. And check it out. Pretty cool, huh? Wait. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? Guess it's one of the videos coming soon. Bye.